Baby love balls!
Hello friends, my name is Lorraine and this is Oriana. Say hello. Hello. And today we are going to be reading Oriana's special book, My Daddy is a Grizzly Bear. Yeah. And we've got a bear here. Have you got your bear? Let's read. My Daddy is a Grizzly Bear by Lorraine Knight. For Oriana and Wagner. My daddy is a grizzly bear. His chest and his back are covered with hair. My daddy is a grizzly bear. His snores are so loud they give me a scare. My daddy is a grizzly bear. His feet go stomp, stomp when he climbs the stairs. My daddy is a grizzly bear. I run from him here. I hide from him there. My daddy is a grizzly bear. His bum is too big to fit in my chair. My daddy is a grizzly bear. He eats all my honey, which just isn't fair. My daddy is a grizzly bear. When he helps me to dress, sometimes my clothes tear. My daddy is a grizzly bear. When he hugs me real tight, I know that he cares. My daddy is a grizzly bear. His love is so big with plenty to share. A special thank you. Each book raises £1 towards the Watoto Children's Choir. You are helping to ensure that those forgotten have a place to belong. Thank you for empowering orphan children and vulnerable women. Did you enjoy that? We enjoyed it too. That's My Daddy is a Grizzly Bear, now available on Amazon and Kindle. You can get your copy of My Daddy is a Grizzly Bear to download on Kindle for free. Just show this video to an adult and they will be able to help you. Yeah, did you enjoy that? Thank you friends and see you next time. Bye bye.